For over a century, Davey has partnered with utility companies and the communities they serve. As our world continues to change, we provide clients in the utility, natural gas, rail, and transportation markets with solutions that are innovative, safe, and reliable. We take pride in our ability to provide the services and solutions our utility clients need to keep their customers connected. Our tools, technology, and people allow us to work efficiently and communicate effectively so your initiatives can move forward smoothly. From vegetation management to new fiber installation, Davey's wide array of end-to-end solutions can help you meet your goals. Our trained foresters utilize the latest remote sensing, LIDAR, and drone technology to capture data from the field, giving clients the insights they need to maintain and improve their infrastructure, respond to outages, and comply with local, state, and federal regulations. Once that data is captured, utilities leverage our proprietary software platform to analyze and interpret the findings by creating custom reports. This cloud-based software helps you develop and implement a solid reliability strategy. Real-time data is essential for utility providers, but Davey's predictive analysis tools helps our clients look into the future. Our multi-technology platform analyzes current performance data, then shifts to field inspections to identify risks and help reduce CMI SAIDI and SAIFI. Davey Utility Solutions also provides turnkey joint use programs, including application processing, pole load analysis, make-ready engineering, and even fiber construction. And when the weather turns ugly, we provide storm consulting and recovery services such as storm walkdowns, damage assessments, data collection, and the equipment and personnel to clear obstacles quickly and efficiently. At Davey, we're leading today and preparing for tomorrow. We can help you complete tough projects like reporting on ESG goals, adapting infrastructure to prepare for EV build-outs, and more. We're committed to quality work, a healthier environment, and a culture of safety for our workers and clients. Let us show you the power of Davey Utility Solutions.